Hey there, fashion lovers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to save money while shopping on Zara by adding coupons. Let's get started. At first, you have to be on the home screen of your mobile phone. Open your Zara application and make sure you are already logged into your account. Zara rarely offers discounts, but when they do, you don't want to miss out. Coupons can help you get stylish outfit at a fraction of cost. Here's how to apply them like a pro. First, ensure you have a valid coupon. This can be found through Zara official websites, promotional emails, or reliable coupon platforms like Retail Me Not or Honey. Next, you have to browse your Zara latest collection and add your favorite items to the cart. Once you have chosen everything you want, proceed to checkout. At checkout, look for the field labeled coupon code or promo code. Type in or paste your coupon code here and hit apply. If the coupon is valid, your total will update to reflect the discount. Review your order, make sure everything's look good, and process to payment. Congrats, you have saved on your Zara haul. If your coupon doesn't work, double check the terms and conditions. Some coupon might only apply to full price item or have expiration date. And that's it. You are now a Zara Coupon Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.